In the dense, sweltering jungles of the Congo Basin, where the sun rarely penetrates the thick canopy of trees and the air is heavy with humidity, legends abound of creatures that dwell in the shadows. Among these myths, none is more enduring than that of the J'ba FoFi, the legendary giant spider cryptid said to roam the deepest, most remote reaches of the jungle. For generations, tales of this creature have captured the imaginations of the local tribespeople, who speak in hushed tones of a spider with a leg span spanning several meters, a creature of myth and terror that strikes fear into the hearts of all who hear its name. But for one online user, the legend of the J'ba FoFi was more than just a tale told around the campfire. It was a mystery waiting to be solved. Obsessed with uncovering the truth behind the legend, a man by the name of Mr. Harris reported that he dedicated years of his life to studying the fauna of the Congo Basin, scouring the jungle for any evidence of the elusive giant spider. Yet, despite countless expeditions and close encounters with other legendary creatures of the jungle, the giant Congo spider remained elusive, a phantom lurking just beyond his grasp. It wasn't until one fateful day, while scouring satellite images of the Congo Basin on Google Earth, that he stumbled upon a discovery that would change everything. As he pored over the high-resolution images, searching for signs of unusual activity or habitat that might indicate the presence of the spider, he noticed something peculiar, a large circular clearing in the heart of the jungle, surrounded by a number of large rocks. Intrigued, he zoomed in closer in order to get a better look. What he saw next sent a shiver down his spine. At the center of the rocks sat a dark, shadowy figure, a creature with a leg span spanning several meters, its hairy limbs stretched out in all directions. The man reported that he could hardly believe his eyes, and said that he was witnessing the legendary giant Congo spider. Determined to get the opinions of others, he quickly uploaded the photographs online. Upon viewing the images, a significant number of individuals expressed disbelief, considering the captured visuals to be among the most compelling pieces of evidence showcasing the existence of the mysterious creature. The legendary giant Congo spider has been the subject of numerous tales, yet tangible proof of its existence remains elusive, with only a scant number of individuals able to substantiate its presence. In recent years, increased satellite coverage and numerous exploration missions in the region have led to the emergence of a handful of photographs circulating online, prompting certain researchers to posit the authenticity of the colossal Congo spider. The ongoing deployment of satellites and the heightened frequency of field expeditions in this particular area have facilitated the dissemination of a small number of images on various social media sites. Upon observation, a user pointed out that upon contrasting the spider with its environment, it becomes evident that this spider is not of the ordinary kind. The user further speculated that the size of this creature could potentially exceed 1 meter in length. This observation implies that the spider in question is notably larger than what is typically encountered in its natural habitat. Over the course of centuries, residents in the area have frequently discussed the existence of this mysterious creature, with ongoing tales and legends recounting its presence. The recent emergence of photographs seems to provide tangible evidence that supports the validity of these long-standing narratives. Described by local tribespeople as a colossal arachnid with a leg span spanning several meters, this enigmatic creature has captured the imagination of explorers and enthusiasts alike. The origins of the giant Congo spider are shrouded in myth and legend, with tales of its existence dating back centuries among the indigenous peoples of the Congo Basin. Known by various names in different tribal languages, including J'ba FoFi, Kikomba, and Kokombi, this giant spider is said to inhabit the deepest reaches of the jungle, weaving its massive webs and preying upon unsuspecting prey. While early accounts of the creature were dismissed as superstition or exaggeration by Western explorers, recent expeditions and eyewitness reports have reignited interest in the possibility of its existence. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence supporting the existence of the spider is the consistency of eyewitness accounts from different regions and cultures within the Congo Basin. Across disparate tribes and communities, individuals have reported encounters with a spider-like creature of immense size, with descriptions that closely match one another in terms of appearance, behavior, and habitat. These accounts often describe the spider as a hairy, tarantula-like creature with a leg span of several meters, capable of building massive webs between trees and ambushing prey from above. Furthermore, the discovery of oversized spider webs and other physical evidence in the Congo Basin lends credence to the possibility of the spider's existence. Expeditions into remote areas of the jungle have uncovered webs spanning several meters in diameter, far larger than those typically produced by known species of spiders in the region. In addition, researchers have found evidence of large, burrow-like structures and other signs of spider activity consistent with eyewitness reports of the spider's habitat and behavior. While such findings are not conclusive proof of the creature's existence, they suggest that further investigation is warranted. The potential implications of the spider's existence are profound and far-reaching. Not only would its discovery challenge our understanding of the natural world and the limits of biological diversity, but it could also have significant implications for conservation efforts and biodiversity conservation in the Congo Basin. As one of the most biologically diverse regions on Earth, the Congo Basin is home to countless species of plants, animals, and insects, many of which are still unknown to science. The existence of a giant spider species would underscore the importance of preserving this unique and fragile ecosystem for future generations. The revelation of the giant Congo spider offers a unique opportunity to delve into the intricate world of tropical rainforest spider evolution and ecological contributions. Although most spider species are typically modest in size and easily overlooked, the presence of a colossal arachnid like the one encountered throughout the Congo prompts a thorough examination of the forces guiding their development and ecological significance. Questions naturally arise regarding how such a massive spider manages to secure adequate sustenance to support its extraordinary dimensions and what potential predators may pose a threat to the Congo spider. The exploration of these inquiries not only fuels the curiosity of researchers and scientists, but also unveils a rich tapestry of possibilities regarding the behavioral ecology and interspecies dynamics in the realm of these enigmatic creatures. In the quest for the elusive Congo spider, numerous challenges and controversies are encountered. The Congo Basin's dense and inaccessible terrain, along with the area's political instability and logistical difficulties, pose significant hurdles to jungle expeditions. These factors not only make exploration arduous and perilous, but also contribute to the difficulty in conducting thorough investigations. Mainstream scientific skepticism and the limited financial support for these types of studies further impede efforts to systematically and rigorously explore reports of the creature's alleged existence. Despite these formidable obstacles, resilient researchers and adventurers persist in their pursuit of unraveling the mysteries surrounding the legendary spider. In exploring the hypothetical existence of a colossal spider within the depths of the Congo jungle, it is crucial to delve into the intricate web of unique environmental factors and ecological dynamics endemic to this region. The Congo Basin stands out as a prime example of unparalleled biological diversity, hosting a cornucopia of flora and fauna. Its luxuriant foliage not only serves as a vital food source, but also offers secure havens for a myriad of species, fostering a complex ecosystem where life flourishes abundantly. The humid atmosphere and copious rainfall prevalent in this region form a harmonious symphony, providing the perfect backdrop for a diverse array of life forms to not just survive, but thrive. In the exceptionally lush and fertile expanse of the Congo jungle, the potential for creatures to reach staggering sizes knows few bounds. Within this biodiverse haven, giant insects, reptiles, and mammals have been documented, showcasing dimensions that surpass those seen elsewhere on the globe. This phenomenon is largely attributed to the copious availability of prey and the notable absence of natural predators capable of regulating their numbers. As a result, the emergence of oversized beings, such as colossal spiders, taking advantage of the plentiful resources in the region is a feasible evolutionary possibility. The absence of constraints on growth due to the optimal environmental conditions in the Congo jungle allows for the proliferation of unusually large and imposing fauna, painting a unique ecosystem teeming with giants within the animal kingdom. In the Congo jungle, a significant contributing factor that would support the flourishing of a massive spider is the abundance of prey available in its ecosystem. This lush and biodiverse environment is teeming with a wide range of insects, small mammals, and birds, all serving as a plentiful food supply for a colossal spider. Given the diverse and plentiful diet accessible in this setting, a giant spider would have no trouble sustaining itself and possibly reaching extraordinary sizes that surpass those of any known spider species found in other regions of the world. The intricate web of life in the Congo jungle, characterized by its rich biodiversity and complex food chain, creates an ideal habitat for such a formidable arachnid to not only survive, but thrive and potentially evolve into an exceptionally large and dominant predator within its ecosystem. This fascinating interplay between predator and prey dynamics underscores the remarkable adaptability and evolutionary strategies of organisms in their natural habitats. The Congo jungle not only offers abundant prey, but also provides a wealth of suitable habitat that can accommodate a giant spider. The thick undergrowth and towering trees within this lush environment present numerous possibilities for a large spider to intricately weave webs and establish its territories. With an array of potential hiding spots and advantageous positions to stalk and capture prey, a giant spider would have an abundance of opportunities to nourish itself and reproduce, thereby ensuring the perpetuation of its species for many generations to come. This intricate ecosystem of the jungle lends itself perfectly for the survival and perpetuation of these arachnids, making it a thriving environment for these fascinating creatures to thrive and evolve over time. In the depths of the Congo jungle, the consistently humid climate offers an ideal haven for the flourishing of massive spiders. The unique characteristic of this region lies in its unwavering climate stability, unlike many other parts of the world where spiders face restrictions due to temperature and humidity irregularities. Within the jungle's stable environment, a colossal spider could maintain its body temperature and vital metabolic functions optimally throughout the entire year. Consequently, this favorable setting fosters the potential for such spiders to grow significantly larger compared to what would be feasible in temperate or arid climates. The fluctuations in temperature and humidity prevalent in these other environments would present formidable obstacles to the spider's survival, making the Congo jungle an ideal habitat for the growth and sustenance of these giant arachnids. In delving into the concept of a colossal spider inhabiting the depths of the Congo jungle, one may initially perceive it as purely whimsical. Yet, it is crucial to recognize that within the confines of this region, there exist spider species that showcase extraordinary dimensions and robustness. Drawing inspiration from the behavior of existing large spider species, the possibility of the evolution of a colossal spider finding its home in the depths of the Congo jungle is not entirely far-fetched. In this rich ecosystem, teeming with abundant prey, vast expanses of suitable habitats, and the perfect mix of environmental factors, the conditions are ripe for the emergence of a truly awe-inspiring arachnid, one that could evoke a blend of terror and intrigue among those lucky enough or unlucky enough to cross paths with it. The potential scenario of a giant spider inhabiting the secluded corners of the Congo jungle is not beyond the realm of possibility, given the right circumstances and evolutionary adaptations. In the vast expanse of the Congo jungle, the notion of a colossal spider's presence is currently confined to the realm of speculation. Despite numerous expeditions and dedicated research endeavors aimed at unraveling this enigma, concrete proof validating the existence of such a creature has eluded discovery. Nevertheless, the mere contemplation of the potential existence of this creature acts as a poignant reflection on the unfathomable marvels that the natural world conceals within its depths. It stands as a poignant testament to the enigmatic enclaves that still shroud the earth, hinting at the ceaseless stream of mysteries awaiting revelation in the uncharted territories of our planet. In the extensive records of the Earth's chronicles, the era dominated by enormous prehistoric spiders serves as a profound illustration of the remarkable variety and adaptability of life on our planet. These ancient arachnids, which once traversed primeval forests and swamps millions of years ago, were veritable giants in the realm of insects, boasting sizes comparable to small mammals. While the notion of such colossal spiders might evoke a sense of dread, a detailed analysis of the environmental circumstances of the ancient times suggests that their existence could have been facilitated by elevated levels of atmospheric oxygen. Millennia ago, these formidable creatures roamed the lands, weaving intricate webs and embodying a unique chapter in the evolutionary narrative of Earth. Their presence not only underscores the awe-inspiring diversity of life forms that have graced our planet, but also prompts reflection on the environmental factors that shaped their evolution. The coexistence of these gargantuan spiders, alongside other ancient creatures, sheds light on the intricate interplay between species and their habitats, offering valuable insights into the dynamics of ecosystems in bygone eras. During the ancient Carboniferous and Permian periods, which extended from about 360 to 250 million years ago, the Earth's atmosphere boasted substantially higher oxygen levels compared to the present era. Studies indicate that oxygen concentrations during this epoch might have soared to as much as 35%, a stark contrast to the current 21% level. This surge in atmospheric oxygen profoundly influenced the evolutionary trajectory of life on our planet, giving rise to a remarkable diversity of colossal insects, amphibians and reptiles, among which were the precursors of contemporary spiders. This elevated oxygen content provided a fertile environment that facilitated the flourishing of these species and fostered their evolution into the biodiverse world we know today. The significance of this oxygen-rich period cannot be overstated, as it laid the foundation for the development and proliferation of various forms of life that shaped the biological landscape for eons to come. The pivotal force influencing the development of colossal spiders during the specified era was the intricate interplay between oxygen levels and metabolic rates. Oxygen assumes a pivotal role in the cellular respiration process, where organisms harness oxygen and glucose to generate energy. Elevated atmospheric oxygen concentrations facilitate more efficient respiration, enabling organisms to amass abundant energy stores and fostering their capacity to attain larger sizes and sturdier structures. This concept, recognized as the oxygen size hypothesis, has been extensively substantiated through a multitude of studies focusing on prehistoric insects and various other arthropods. Researchers have delved deep into these investigations to unearth the profound impact of oxygen levels on the evolutionary trajectory of these creatures. Spiders, creatures that depend on book lungs for respiration, would have greatly benefited from increased atmospheric oxygen levels. The surplus oxygen would have enabled spiders to enhance their oxygen intake during each breath, facilitating elevated metabolic rates and the potential for larger body sizes compared to what they could achieve in environments with lower oxygen concentrations. This environmental advantage could have empowered ancient spiders to explore and exploit new ecological niches and prey sources, ultimately leading to the emergence and diversification of larger spider species. The availability of higher oxygen levels may have played a crucial role in the evolutionary trajectory of spiders, allowing for adaptations that favored their growth and survival in diverse habitats. Through the examination of fossilized spider remains dating back to the Carboniferous and Permian eras, researchers have uncovered intriguing evidence suggesting that ancient spiders may have undergone physiological and anatomical changes to capitalize on the higher levels of oxygen in the atmosphere. This phenomenon, known as the oxygen size hypothesis, postulates that alongside their respiratory systems, ancient spiders developed adaptations such as increased body sizes, thicker exoskeletons, and stronger musculature. These structural modifications not only supported the considerable size and weight of ancient spiders, but also enhanced their ability to withstand predators and various environmental challenges. The revelations from these studies shed light on the evolutionary strategies employed by ancient spiders to thrive in oxygen-rich environments and navigate the complex ecosystem dynamics of their time. The emergent picture showcases how ancient arachnids strategically adapted to their surroundings, showcasing a fascinating interplay between physiology, anatomy, and environmental factors. The intricate interactions within ancient ecosystems likely influenced the development of enormous spiders. In the Carboniferous and Permian eras, the Earth's land masses were predominantly covered by extensive marshy forests, thriving with abundant plant life and swarms of insects. The dense canopy of these forests presented ideal conditions for spiders to thrive, offering a diverse array of prey to sustain their substantial stature. The evolution of giant spiders in this era may have been primarily fueled by intense competition for resources and the necessity to adapt to novel food supplies, indicating a complex interplay of ecological factors influencing their evolutionary trajectory. The notion of enormous prehistoric spiders might appear as though it belongs in a fantastical sci-fi film. However, the fossil record offers substantial evidence supporting their existence. Unearthed remnants of ancient spiders, including the colossal carboniferous spider Megarachne cervini, have been unearthed from sedimentary layers dating back millions of years, shedding light on the intricate biology and ecological roles of these captivating arachnids. Through in-depth examination of these fossilized specimens, researchers have pieced together the evolutionary timeline of spiders, unraveling pivotal insights into the driving forces behind their development and diversification over time. The presence of enormous prehistoric spiders serves as a fascinating illustration of how environmental factors can significantly influence the evolutionary paths of living beings on Earth. These ancient spiders capitalized on the abundant atmospheric oxygen levels of their time, enabling them to attain sizes much larger than their present-day counterparts. This phenomenon led to the emergence of a wide variety of gigantic spider species that once inhabited the ancient landscapes of forests and swamplands. Although these creatures have long vanished from the Earth, their enduring legacy persists in the fossil records, underscoring the remarkable diversity and adaptive capabilities of life forms that have inhabited our planet throughout history. This serves as a testament to the intricate interplay between environmental conditions and the evolution of species, highlighting the astonishing journey of life on Earth and the profound impact of past ecological dynamics on the biodiversity we observe today. So, what do you make of the giant Congo spider? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comment section below and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.